Shivam, and you are watching the next tutorial of our series Programming in R. So in this second tutorial we will see that what are the different types of data types in R. So while doing programming in any programming language, what you need to use is using the variables, which are used to store the various informations. Variables are nothing but they are the reserved memory locations to store the values. That means that when you create a variable, you reserve some kind of space in the memory. So in R also, where there are various types of variables, there are various types of data types, and we can say that there are also various types of data objects, which we will be studying further in the coming tutorials. So now the frequently used data types or data objects are vectors, lists, matrices, arrays, factors, and the most important one, data frames. So these are the different data objects in R. But first of all, let's see that what are the different data types in R. So let us define some variable that x is equal to 2, and let us now print the class of x. So let us now run this command and see that what is the class of L. So now you can see that the class of x is numeric. Now this is a data type in R. Now in the same way we will like to print a logical data type. So let's print y is equal to true, and let's see what is the class of this operator, of this data type. Print class of y. So now you can see that the class of y is character, because we have quoted the variable, because we have made it a string. So now it is showing us that the class of y is character. But when we try to print it using without quotations, then you can see that then it will show the class to be logical. So this is the difference. So now here you can see that the class of z is logical. So these are the three different data types that we have used. So to add any comment in your R script, what you can do is you can start it with a hash command. So you can say that you can define the data type of that variable. You can say the class is numeric. Numeric class is numeric. In the same way, the class is character, and here the class is logical. In the same way, there are also different types, like different types of data types, like let us define another data types by a is equal to 3 plus 2i. Now let us see that what is the class of a. What is the class of a? You can see that the class of a is complex, because it is a complex number. So we can say that class is complex. Now in the same way we will explore another data types, and let us see that what are the other data types. So now we will see another data type, that is row, that the class is row. Now when you define the function that x is equal to, when you use the function char to row. So when you give the character, let us give hello, and when you try to print the class of x, then it will show the class to be row. So you can see that these are the different data. You can see that the class of X is row. So we have seen the 5 different types of data types, and then the first was the numeric class, and the second one was the character class, the third one was the logical class, that is true or false, and the fourth one is a complex data type which is defined by iota, and the fifth one is row data type. So these are the 5 types of data types that you can say in R, and we will be using these different data types throughout our programming. So this was the second lecture. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.